Good morning friends. Today I welcome you all in the course IoT using LabVIEW NXG. NXG stands for Next Generation LabVIEW. So basically this version of LabVIEW 2021 NXG version is very handy for users. You just drag and drop. There are handy examples. Automatic express VIs are there in this particular case. In this course we just study how to use IoT, Internet of Things, using this particular LabVIEW NXG. So here is the introduction. The powerful combination of IoT using LabVIEW 2021 NXG. We can also interface different IoT devices. There are some advantages of interfacing. We just discuss in future slides. Over here, hardware setup. You just need Arduino IDE first. Then if you are using Node MCU, in that case also you just go with Arduino IDE, because we just program the Arduino IDE Node MCU using Arduino IDE first time. After that we just go with LabVIEW NXG. Okay, ready to go VIs, plug and play examples are there. We can create any examples using NXG. We can go with web application, web publishing tools in the case of LabVIEW NXG. Okay, so here are programming IoT devices with LabVIEW NXG, like programming style guide, data flow programming, user friendly interface as compared to the previous version of LabVIEW. We can use this in data acquisition and analysis for IoT applications like real-time data analysis, cloud-based data storage, data acquisition and monitoring, like in the case of solar panel data monitoring. Okay, IoT project examples like sensor monitoring system for industrial production. For example, if we have to grab the data of pressure, temperature, flow, etc. For smart home automation, we can use this. For measuring the quality of water, we can use this platform. These are some basic example of IoT projects using LabVIEW NXG. Here is the conclusion. IoT is changing the world. LabVIEW NXG 2021 IoT platform can make your business shine in this digital age. Be part of the revolution with the fast and efficient way of developing and IoT projects. Take the next step to success with LabVIEW NXG 2021 version. So let's go with the course. This is all about this introductory lecture. Thank you.